I'm gonna turn on the AC because it is pretty freaking hot today. Yo, I just caught that in 4K, buddy. Come on now. But you always gotta check for cops, bro. You never know. Shit. It's not like I'm doing anything illegal, but like. Shit is fucking dirty, bro. What the heck is that? That looks freaking sick. Holy crap, that thing looks beautiful. Alright guys, hopefully I don't get the camera dirty. Or wet, sorry. Alright guys, gonna take the C5 for an oil change. The homie's gonna hook it up, so yeah, we're gonna do a quick oil change, bro. It needs one, bro. I don't know if you guys saw the change oil now, but yeah, it needs one. Here for a little test drive?
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Scared, bro. Every time someone drives my car, bro, I'm scared as hell, bro.
Bro, I got you, bro.
I get nervous, bro.
I got you, bro. I'm nervous myself.
So you said you driven like ZR1s and shit?
I've driven ZR1, I've driven Hellcat, I've driven C8.
C8.
I've driven.
That's nice, bro.
I had a built 3.8 block Genesis, full bolt on, 404 to the wheel.
Shit.
That was like the Scat Pack killer.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Hey, you might be a little disappointed if you've been driving all that, man. I don't know. This is like,
it's slow.
It's slow. We'll see what you think. Oh yeah. How that feel?
That's a pull. That's a pull.
That's a little pull.
That's a pull. That's a pull.
Let's go, baby.
That's a pull. I ain't gonna lie, that's a pull. And this shit feels so good. Like the suspension feels fire.
Yeah, huh? the little back shots.
What? I am definitely finna get a C5.
Bro, I am freaking scared right now.
This shit's fire. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's fire.
Yeah, bro. That's. Whew. Being in the passenger seat is like way
different.
Yeah,
huh?
it's way different, bro, from being in the driver.
Because you're controlling the actual pedal, so you don't even know how fast your car is actually.
Yeah. Damn.
She got some torque to it, bro.
How fast were you going? Like allegedly?
Like 80.
Like 80? This is just a muffler delete too, by the way.
Yeah, that's what.
Bro, wait till you had like an exhaust, all that good stuff. Oh shit! Oh!
We're talking about screaming, bro.
Yeah. If you were to get a C5, what would you do to it?
If I was to get a C5, the first thing I'm doing is putting on coilovers.
Coilovers?
Cold air intake, new pulley, then Pro Charge.
Yeah, bro. Those are, bro. I was looking at some and they're like the whole, like half the value of my car, bro.
The car, huh?
Yeah.
But you want me pushing like 800 horsepower, like no problem. All right, bro. I'm gonna buy this shit.
Bro.
Yes.
Guys, we got a potential buyer for the C5.
Yes, potential buyer for
Potential buyer.
C5 ASAP. Not potential buyer, actual buyer.
Actual buyer.
How you turn traction control off in this?
Right here. Oh my gosh. This man has me scared for my life as the passenger right now. For my car and for my life.
Your car is fine, bro.
Mainly the car though, mainly the car.
Yeah, this is just a muffler lead, this is fire.
Yeah. Made it back. One piece.
One piece.
What do you think, man?
Amazing car. Like, no complaints.
No complaints.
Like, C5 activated ASAP, bro.
ASAP.
You gonna see me in this motherfucker and you gonna see him in my TC.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Alright guys, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure I have a good day, and then yeah. Nathan, what are you doing, bro? Nathan, what the fuck? Fuck? Open the fucking door.